Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video and starting my Bombay series with this video. You guys must have already seen my moving video where I share with you guys the news that yes, I've moved cities. We've moved to Mumbai and I reached here on the 17th of November and it's an exciting new phase. Me, my daughter and my husband are here. My husband's work was here. It's time to set up the house, which is like exciting and fun, and also there's lots to do basically in terms of setting up the house. It's the first Saturday, the first weekend in Mumbai, and I'm loving the city, guys. The vibe is really nice, and slowly while I explore the city, I'll show you guys also. So today the first thing on our agenda was to get all the things. I have like such a long list of things that I need for the house because it's like a new house, and a lot of things are not there in terms of storage, in terms of basics of the house. So I need a lot of pieces of home utility stuff, furniture, and a lot of storage stuff, so that I can organize a lot of organizing stuff, because I need to organize a lot of things in terms of washrooms, in terms of rooms, in terms of the living room. So yes, there's a long list of things, and I thought, what better than IKEA? I've never been to IKEA, but I hear it's like the one-stop shop where you get everything for the house. So let's see, since I've never been there, it's going to be a first experience. It's already 2 p.m. We're pretty late. It's, I think, about a 1 hour drive from where we stay. So this is actually the IKEA vlog where we'll be exploring the store. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog there because my list is quite long, so shooting there it's gonna be, I'll try and shoot as much as possible. So IKEA is in Navi Mumbai, which is quite far from my place, guys. So that's the only IKEA that they have here in Bombay, but thank God it's there. There's no IKEA in Delhi. Happy to be missing Delhi's winter because it's really cold right now in Delhi, and we are here in our summer clothes, back to my summer wear. I'm so glad. So a lot of summer content because it's bloody hot in Bombay. Here evenings are very nice and pleasant. We open our window and the breeze is amazing, while we also get that aroma of some fish or something. I don't know what that is, but I think that's typical Bombay. But yes, some really cool things. See the frames, okay? I'm like, literally exploring the road as we go. We don't know anything in Bombay. This is my first time in this city.
This is basically Bandra East to Bandra West connector. Sorry, Bandra West to Bandra East connector.
Huge.
Tricky.
Kia. So guys, we entered from here where they had displayed some pieces of furniture, and it was a nice display, and it was Christmas time, Christmas festivities, so a lot of Christmas decor items were displayed. We straight away moved on to the custom rooms. To be honest, we were short on time and too much work. But these were really cute. There were these colorful spoons for the kids and stuff. So these were the custom rooms. Really need cabinets, so we were focusing on that. A lot of sofa sets were there, custom rooms. They were designed, and they've done it up, different kinds of room setups. This is what I really liked for Seher. Moving on, so there were so many things displayed, a lot of artificial plants, and a lot of these containers for storage, shelving units, and study tables, sofas, so many sofas. Oh my god, there were so many options, guys. A lot of cabinets. We were looking for storage, so they had nice setup done with a lot of things. Every item was actually on sale. These are the kind of shelving units I really like because I want like a book storage for my daughter. It was really packed, too many people, so shooting was difficult, guys, but I tried my best. But I will bring more content regarding IKEA soon. These are all the shelving units that you can see. I've actually picked up one of these for Seher's room. We were really liking these glass cabinets, so we were considering them for our living room. But yeah, these were all the sofa sets. Then we came to washroom storage. Oh my god, the kind of options that were there, guys, and really well priced. Yeah, a lot of dining room sets, living room sets. Again, focus was on storage and cabinets and wall shelves and lamps and these kind of TV units. Again, shelving units. So many great ideas. This I really liked. If you don't have space, you take that for books. Center tables. Then this gold one was really pretty and really well priced. I think 4,000 rupees. There were a lot of options for side tables and center tables. Lots of them actually. And yeah, obviously they're not real wood, guys. But again, shoe racks. See the amount of options that they had. It was unreal. We were spoiled for choice. Mugs, mirrors, photo frames. I mean, you name it, they had it. I again was stuck on. Oh, this round mirror was amazing. I again was stuck on finding a nice chest of drawer for myself, some TV units, and good part was everything was minimal, whites and all of that. Again, a lot of bookshelves were there. I loved these options. Amazing bookshelves. My daughter has so many books. I was looking for a nice bookshelf, but this everything was so pretty and so well planned that it could be of great utility. So yes, lots of colors, lots of options. For shelving units, you get at IKEA. Name a dimension and they'll have it. Every width possible to fit into any kind of size of the house, room, literally. I really like this floor lamp for my living room, so I was telling my husband to check it out. It was really pretty. Then they had curtains. A lot of people buy curtains from here. In fact, we also picked up our curtain from here. Lots of options for TV units, guys. They were really pretty, really nice, compact. I love this cabinet. Actually, was considering for one of my bedrooms. Then you can actually get it customized depending on what you want. But again, there were these lots of storage units on this floor, and you're literally spoiled for choice. Chairs, tables.
So many cabinet
Again, these are amazing cabinets.
I really don't know what I want now because
For the study, for the bookshelf,
space is spoiled for
the
choice.
first time, and I was shocked. Then there were dining tables, these big tables, chairs, options, amazing candles, a lot of other stuff also in terms of kitchenware. So we came to this area where I was loving this kind of and really needed organizers for my makeup. So I was loving this. Then you have oil dispenser, bottles, the amount of stuff you get here in terms of ceramics, bottles, glasses, whatnots, everything for the kitchen again is easily available. The amount of storage containers, plates, cabinets. I mean, it's a one-stop shop, and you'll get everything possible that you need. And containers. This was like what you spread on the drawers. Basically, it was a sheet, a roll of sheet. A lot of these railings and whatnot, guys. I don't know how to explain the massiveness of this place, but yes, you come here and have an idea about what you want with your dimensions, and you'll find everything possible for every room, every nook and corner of your house. So yes, a lot of hooks, a lot of things, and they're all DIY. You can just go and put them. There were a lot of amazing soap dispensers. I actually picked up a really pretty one, and they had like this set of those soap dispensers. And oh, I came to the kids section and fell in love with the cabinets, with the shelving units. I picked up one of these wardrobes for Seher. We got it customized. It's beautiful. Again, one of the custom rooms. They do these concept rooms where you see how everything is placed, and you can actually take with their help also set things up. A lot of beds, mattresses, bed sheets. So yes, these were all the side table options. Again, chest of drawers. So many options for chest of drawers. You're spoiled for choice, guys. I loved this white one that I was considering. This one was really pretty.
Guys, we are so tired and honestly I don't know what we've done so far. That's our little trolley. And there's a lot of stuff. I've been wearing the mask since the past 1.5 hours and I'm tired. I don't think one trip is going to be enough for this place, especially if you're setting up a new space, because there's so much that is here. There's so many options that you're spoiled for choice. I'm confused. Like I need a dresser. I have a long mirror in my room, and I need like a chest of drawers for my makeup, and I'm actually liking this one, which is a very basic, very tall 6 chest of drawers sort of a thing, which is perfect for me because I have a lot of makeup and I don't mind these kind of sections. You know, I could put in my lipstick here, and like there are a lot of compartments, so space is so important, especially when you have so much makeup like I do. Anyway, let me put my mask on while there's no one around me right now. We've been on one floor only. We haven't changed our floor. It's so huge that it's 5 p.m. and still exploring. We've picked up some small things like soap holders and stuff like that, but there's so much stuff. I think I will order a lot of stuff online. I've taken pictures. But so far nothing big has been finalized yet, because you know, you want to make sure that the whole concept is right. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this journey. I'm not talking much because there are too many people around, and I have less time and I need to do a lot of work. But yes, I'm loving this space. There's something for all, and actually the designs are amazing. They've done these concept rooms, concept living rooms, drawing rooms, so beautiful lights, and there's nothing that you will not get here. I think one should make a special trip, travel and come to IKEA just to pick up stuff. It's very nice. Moving on, guys, we really needed storage for our washroom, so we were looking at all the wall shelving options. They were great options. Then these are all the mattresses that were there, the bedding section which we didn't need. Again, a lot of long shelves, a lot of bathroom concepts here, and amazing stuff, guys. I was loving these kind of shelves for the washroom, for the corners. Then we need shoe racks. Look at these amazing shoe racks that don't take up too much space also. Really great ideas, guys. Then we came to this beautiful section of chest of drawers. I love chest of drawers, and I needed one for my dressing room. So this one was really pretty and I liked it quite a bit. Space to put all of my stuff in. This is just perfect, and I have a fetish for white things. This is just perfect for my dresser chest of drawers. These are also nice, but I need something narrow. Which one? No, that I don't like. That's so nice. This is nice. Out of all of these, I think this is the prettiest. Plus, we don't want it to be very broad, no? So, though this is very pretty. Oh, Aigini, so this is fine. So yes, lots of chest of drawer options that were beautiful in white. I was loving them. Some more single beds, mattresses, bed sheets, lots of options. Then again, a washroom unit, some example of storage. This was so pretty. I love grey and white. Lots of these, storage containers that you can put in your drawers sections. Then again, these are all the wardrobes. Oh, mirror. Oh my god. What are these lights? Can you tell me what are these lights? I need this. Haha, look nice, but of course I didn't know where to put this, so I just loved the whole light concept. We kept walking, drained. This was such a nice study table for the kids with a bed unit, so nice. Again, we really needed wardrobes, so we were looking at options: single door, double door, sliding door, for depending on the storage space you have. We were liking this particular cabinet. It wasn't even very expensive. This was priced at about 12,000. The only problem was didn't have enough sections, no locker, no lock, so it was a little impractical, but good for the price. 12,000 was a great price. So yes, I was considering this. It's white and pretty and basic. The kids section was dreamy. I wanted everything for my daughter. So this is like a concept kids bedroom, and yeah, really pretty options for kids. Look at the cabinet. I loved the study. This is the kind of a study table and chair I wanted. So these are like wall cabinets for the kids, and this is the kind of table chair I was looking for. So yes, so many options, guys. I was busy shooting and planning my room, so it was very chaotic. Lots of stuff for the kids, baby chair and all of that. Once you get exhausted, this is where you come. This is the restaurant. It's huge, and what an idea. I loved the whole concept. There was a very nice queue. It's do it yourself. You pick up your trays and trolleys, and
Just start picking up the ready to eat food that's fresh, it's freshly cooked, and you just have to take these trolleys, pick up a tray, and first pick up the food that you want, whether it's, there were non-veg and veg options. I'll just show you guys, but the concept was great. Pick up your food, go and pay for it. And it was really nice, and it was fresh food, so it was great. So these are all the salads, sandwiches, juices, lots of options. Then there was dessert, there was coffee, there was yogurt. There were some amazing options to choose from. I loved this mango cake. Oh my god, it was divine, guys. So yes, we started taking our food. So then we have salmon wrap, salmon vegetarian badi come options and the veggie ball platter that we took. Paneer butter masala and rice. So veg they have Indian options. Dikhana? Yeah. So we've taken a mango cake, veggie platter and paneer butter masala and rice. Cool concept, guys. I think you take your food and then you pay. How quick is this? You don't have to sit and wait for your food to come. Love the concept. Now we are ready to pay for our food. Lingonberry, pure raspberry, water lemon. We'll take lemon. Funny है थोड़ी सी वेजी बोल. At least backup के लिए we have rice and paneer, some potato wedges and a mango cake. So tired, it's time to eat. Have had such a good time, and oh my god, the whole concept of this food has been amazing. Yum. Okay, the paneer and rice were amazing, polished off. Time to dig in, and this has been so soft. I had to show you guys. Oh my god. So good. Yeah, you have to try this. This is a mango and chocolate mousse cake. It's very, very good. So after all the food, we finally moved to the next level of this facility. 2 levels. This is the next level. One was the first floor and the other is the ground floor. And this has all the kitchenware, utensils, cutlery, glasses, plates, pans, everything you need for your house, for your kitchen, guys. I was actually repenting why I bought it from a local store. I loved this oil container. Seriously, if you want to do up your kitchen, just come here. You'll find everything under the sun. Containers. I really like this all-in-one. Had all sizes. And it was really, really good. Again, so many different storage options and so many different storage containers. Loved these. Picked so many of them. Airtight containers, washcloths, mats, glasses, wine glasses. I love these plates, guys. I was so in love with these. These were these amazing deep plates, guys. They were bowls, they were sets of small, big plates, bowls, containers. I loved them. There were amazing glasses there, colored glasses, water glasses, whiskey glasses, some amazing options. I wish I didn't buy them from anywhere else. Amazing tea glasses, small glasses, big glasses. So lots of we were really liking these ones. You could use them as a whiskey glass or a normal water glass. I loved these beige plates and this whole set, this whole section was dreamy. I was like a kid in a toy store and I wanted to pick up everything. I was choosing between the color I liked. I was loving the pink, but I was also liking these green options. Beautiful options of deep plates and bowls. I loved this bowl. The size was perfect and this beige option was also so pretty. Everything was just stunning here, guys, and I picked up a lot of stuff which you'll see in my haul, of course. Honestly, just running through these places with you guys, because the actual things I bought I'll show you in a haul video. Lots of amazing option for cutlery which we finally found here. And the display is also very nice. This is the loot so far. Picked up a lot of stuff, ordered a lot of stuff. You can see the color I ordered in the plates. Lovely. Curtains. I really needed curtains. There are sheer ones, there are blackout ones, there's everything. There are linen ones. There were so many options again that we were spoiled for choice. And yeah, lovely.
Guys, I'm done. My husband is still looking at curtains. Lots of options. And actually, you can wear it altered as per your choice. A lot of cushions and cushions and cushions and cushions. I'm so tired that I can sleep in my trolley. Can I please take a nap? So nice. Do you like this too?
How many floors they have?
2 floors.
Just 2 floors.
Yeah.
One is upstairs and second is this.
Moving on, there was this section of all the bed sheets that they had. Lots of options, lots of prints again, and they were very affordable, of course. 9.99 range with pillow covers and lots of prints, lots of options in the price range of about 700 to 1500. So there were lots of options. We didn't need them, so we literally did not waste too much time. We were running out of time as the place shuts at 9 and we had to rush. So yes, there were a lot of options for bed sheets here. A lot of pretty ones actually. Then bath mats we really needed, so I picked up a few really good options here. And then again, this whole section was actually of bath fittings. A lot of hardware stuff, a lot of again shelves and mirrors for the washroom and yeah, towel rings and hooks and whatnot. Things you don't even realize you need. Corners for shower area, shower storage. So yes, a lot of things you see here and you realize you need them. Corners for the bath area. Then these were shower curtains which we really needed.
Guys, I'm about to faint now because I'm going mad. नहीं हो रहा अब और नहीं हो सकता मतलब I have lost track of where we are. We are at, so basically there are two levels. We were at the furniture level earlier from where we entered from, and saw lots of things. Haven't picked up anything. We've taken pictures. I definitely want the chest of drawers and stuff like that. We've come to the next furnishings bit. Oh my god, it's huge that I think they should have like hotel rooms here and we should stay over and the next day morning again come because we are really exhausted. But yeah, looking at washroom fittings here now, lots needed in our house. So looking at that, this is what we've picked up so far. Yeah, I picked up this throw which I really like. My experience in IKEA, I mean, we need to come again and again so that we are sorted, but it literally has everything under the sun for your house. I mean, I wish I didn't go to the local store to pick up a lot of utensils that I did, because you get so much stuff, great price. Quality can't be like super premium, so that is for sure. I mean, the curtains were polyester, the wood is not real wood, like all of that. But then in an affordable category, when you're looking at affordable house stuff, then this is decent. I mean, like the towel quality also, it's decent. It's good for people like us who move to cities where, you know, you suddenly have to buy things from a scratch. And these are your temporary accommodations for now, and we're living in a rental house, so don't want to spend so much money on stuff that we might not need later. 7:45. God, the entire day has gone. I don't know where. In these two floors, which are huge, I think this is spread over 1 lakh square feet or something. I don't know. My husband was telling me. But yeah, let me have my mask on. But yes, guys, spoiled for choice. Everything under the sun for your house. Huge is the word for this place. This first trip to this place is actually overwhelming, because now I'm gonna go back and actually think of what all I actually need, because you can't make out. You feel like you need everything when you come here. I think I'm gonna take your leave, guys. I don't have the energy to shoot anymore. Might show you a little bit here and there.
And then we moved on, and there were again shelving units, again boxes, so many different kinds of boxes and options that literally I wanted to pick up a size of each, because you can really, somebody with an OCD of organizing, this is heaven for you, because you will get containers and organizing units for everything. Then there were amazing dustbins we picked up, there were amazing planters we picked up.
Oh, we didn't pick up the planter, but yeah, there were good options if you need something for the terrace, or there were amazing laundry baskets, some amazing options, clothes drying racks, and ironing boards, and again, lots of storage and sections that were there. And I was just walking and walking, and this place was literally never ending, guys. Then again, we were looking at these kind of hooks. A lot of hardware stuff was available, shelving units again. And I was like, when will this stop? And just when I thought it will stop, there were lamps and lights. Oh my god, they were amazing. So, some amazing lights, bulbs, lamp options, lighting options are there. I picked up one lamp, one lampshade from here, and they're amazing. Then there was this section of rugs. This is pretty much the end of this place. We were heading towards billing, we were getting late. Lovely rugs. I really wanted a rug, but there was no time. But there were beautiful options. Yeah, you can see amazing options. Then there were a lot of little stuff for decor, wall clocks, and photo frames. This is the end of the section, last part of IKEA. Then I reached the mirror heaven, guys. Oh my god, I was loving the mirrors here. There was one particular mirror that I literally fell in love with. So many options, so many sizes. Let me show you this one. It was so beautiful, like a metallic border. I was loving the mirrors. Then they had a lot of these artificial plants that were really nice, no maintenance at all. Then again, a lot of decor items were there at the end of this whole thing. A lot of artificial flowers, pots, plants, candles were all here if you have the time. I had no time at all, but amazing options again. Lots of plants. This place closes at 9 p.m. and it's about 8:30. So tired. Make sure you have the full day. We came in at about 3. We left home at 2, which was very late. Next time, I think it firstly, this place needs one trip is not enough, and if you do have only one day, make sure you come early in the morning because one day is not enough. And we'll definitely come back more clearer about what we want and on time, because afternoon is not the time because it's going to close now. We are reaching to the checkout. We didn't see much, especially this area. I just ran through because there was no time. But we picked up some small things and we'll use these for, we'll put these to use first and then decide what all we need. But amazing, guys. My husband is actually surprised. He was always like, what's the hype about IKEA? And I said, you know, I've heard so much about it, we must go. And today he was like spoiled for choice, and he's like, Vati, I've never been to a place that literally has so much stuff. It is huge, and huge is an understatement. And you literally get everything, and so many things that you don't even realize you need when you see here, and you're like, oh, I needed this also, I need that also. And you know, everything is displayed in such a good manner. Every section is so clearly, everything is mentioned there. Along with that, whatever support thing you need, you have that also. So you know, you literally don't need assistance because everything is very clear. I'm so glad Bombay had an IKEA, and right in the first week of me settling into a new house, I came here so that most of my stuff is sorted through this place. And a lot of hardware stuff also you get here, so you don't have to go to a local hardware place. Here, easy to use, easy to apply DIY stuff is easily available. That's an announcement where we need to. So yes guys, I literally don't even have the energy to hold this camera, and today for the first time in the last 1 hour my husband was telling me you look like you're dead, because I literally had no opinion on anything because I was so tired. So make sure you have enough energies to do this. And finally, we were reaching towards the end of this race, and this is like a humongous is also an understatement. It's like a warehouse. So a lot of the items have the warehouse. It's like a you have sections where you have all the furniture that you can stuff that you can actually pick up from here. So yes, this never-ending place has this huge warehouse, guys. Look at this. I mean, everything you want. There are these various shelves, about 35 shelves, and anything and everything you want is all available right here in the compartment that you're looking for. And I was just amazed. I've never seen a place like this, at least here in India. And yeah, it is just mind-blowing. That's the word for this place because it's huge and it's got literally everything.
You name it and you find it. You don't even realize what you need, but it's available here, and you'll see it and you'll be like, oh, I could use this, I could use that. I was loving these table chair sets, which eventually I did buy for my daughter, but not this one. And yes, lots of stuff which is very nicely compact way, packed in a very compact way, and you can just pick it up from these shelves to take home, take away. The big pieces come later, but yes, they were amazing stuff. You know, even when you were reaching the counter, there were a lot of things to tempt you. So basically, they ensure that you buy more. I was loving these pastel plates for my daughter, 19 bucks for four. They had so many ways, like this is our way to the billing counter, and there were so many things again I was liking, so many things that you end up picking up just because they're dirt cheap and they're pretty and they can be of utility, or sometimes not. But yes, I picked up this hairspray on my way. This is our loot. This is just one trolley, guys. There's lots we bought. This is a small cafe outside for coffee and croissant and amazing pizza slices. Have to try it. It's yum. And this is all the huge billing counters. So guys, this place opens at 11 a.m. The timings are 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. I've just sat down with my shopping and my black coffee because very exhausted. It's all 9 p.m. The store has just closed down. And the timings are 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. And so yeah, I suggest you reach here at 11 if you have a lot of stuff to buy, or if you're coming for the first time. If you're coming like regularly, then obviously not. But I think if you're coming for the first time, then because you don't know what's out there, you need a lot of time. It's good to come here and actually experience the store to understand the quality of things. I don't know if I'll be able to share the haul with you guys because it's gonna take me a while to unpack this whole thing, and since we are so exhausted, it's gonna be a big task to actually open this all up. But let's see how I give you guys a haul. Whether the haul is going to be in this video or next video, that also I'm not sure, because guys, I'm pretty sure this footage is going to be very long. I think more than an hour long, and I'll have to cut it short. So maybe my haul part can be on Instagram in a reel or in another separate video. Let's see. But yes, I'm definitely going to share it with you guys. But yes, signing off from a very tired mind and body. I'll catch you guys soon. I hope you like this video. Bye guys.